Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this unexpected error that you get while trying to copy, delete or moving a file or folder in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply open your File Explorer, then go to this PC, go to C drive, Windows folder. From here go to System32 folder. Now in the search box here, type RDP clip. You will get an application of RDP clip. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator. Once done, go to the search box again and type DWM. You will get an application of DWM here. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator as well. Now close everything and then try to copy, move or delete your file or folder and see if you get the error or not. Now based on my personal experience, I was trying to copy a file using the front USB ports to a USB drive when I got this error. So if you are using a desktop PC, I'll recommend you to use the USB ports given at the back of the motherboard and then try to copy the files and you won't get the error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.